And then 1 shallot, chopped into thin rings. Second shallot, we want to fine dice. And we take a garlic clove, get a bash. Again, we're looking for a relatively fine dice. And we have some juniper berries. What we'll do is we'll just crush these with the back of a knife and give them a relatively gentle chop. So we take a heavy base cast iron pan, place it quite high up off the flame, add a little olive oil, and then we add in the diced garlic, the shallot and the juniper berries. And just give them a little stir. We don't really want to cook them too far. And then we take this off the heat. So we take a nice bunch of parsley, don't worry about whether it's flat leaf or curly parsley, and give it a chop. So we take our shallots and garlic that we cooked and drop them in a bowl. We want to let them cool before we put the venison in. We take half a pound or 225 grams of ground venison, and we add in our chopped parsley, and we add an egg yolk, and then a handful of breadcrumbs, and then half a teaspoon of salt, and get your hands in and mix together. So now we form the patty, take a little bit of the meat and put it into a form. And we set these aside whilst we make the chutney. We'll keep the same pan as we did earlier. We start with the shallots that we sliced. Then we go with some nice red currants to strip them off the stems. We want around about 100 grams of red currants. And we'll give that a quick stir. And we go in with balsamic vinegar and a couple of tablespoons of honey. And what we want to do is reduce this all the way down so it's a nice dry jammy chutney for the top of our venison burgers. Should take 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes depending on the heat of your pit. We just need to take that off the heat and allow it to cool a little. Right, now we add a little bit of oil to the patties to stop them sticking. I prefer to do that rather than oil the grill grates. So we just drop our burger on, peel off the paper, on with the second burger. Then we add a little more oil. Spread that around. And then we just flip over our burger. So you've got a lovely colour there. And after a couple of minutes of cooking on the other side, what we need to do is just add some cheese, because no burger's complete without cheese. I've got a little bit of smoked Gouda. Now what we'll do is we'll grill our buns quickly for 30 seconds, just to get them nice and soft and a little bit toasted. So we begin with a little bit of our red currant relish, just a little bit on the base. Then we go for some nice peppery rocket. Then we have our lovely venison burger and another generous helping of the red currant chutney. Lots more rocket, and then on with our lid.